So today we're looking at the little passport subscription box. This is a fun one. It comes with, we got shipped an envelope, it looks like, with the monthly kit. And then in the box, they have a really cute little suitcase. She saw this on commercials, right?
Yeah.
When I pulled this out, she was like, I know what that is, and I want to do it. So, super cute. We have not opened it yet, though, and you've been kind of dying to open it. Do you want to show us what's in it? So let's hold it up. So it looks like, what are those? Little squishies. This says Country Coin Collection. And it feels like there's a little hard coin in there. You've got a passport book. Do you know what a passport is? What is a passport?
Something that has your photo made.
Let's show her. Talk loud. So here's our passport. So we can check off the countries that we've traveled to. And it looks like there's a little envelope. We'll have to see what that's for. It's very cute inside. Has a little letter to the explorers. So you'll have to read that. And what else do we have? Very cute. Oh, this looks like stickers and labels. Oh, very fun. This is a big map. Oh, look how cool that is. So you can see where you've been going. We'll have to hang that up.
And also there's this thing where you can put your coin that you got in there.
Let's show them that. That is really cool. So it looks like, what does it say? It's a Little Passports Country Coins. So maybe open that up. Let's see what coin is in there.
So excited.
I don't know what country that we're doing this month, so we'll see. What's it say?
The world.
The world. So it says, year one, each country and culture around the world is special and unique. The first coin shows many of the extraordinary landmarks around the world. So this is the whole world. And it looks like you'll pop it in here.
Yeah, and on the other side there's a little bike.
Very cool. So this is like your starter kit, I guess. We have not done this before, so this is new to us, but it looks like a very cool, and then you can keep all of the things you get each month in your suitcase. So I think the way this works is the envelope is for this month. Do you want to open that? You're busy putting the coin away, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool.
It's a little big.
Push right in. Do you want to show them? So we've got our first coin in there.
Hey, let's open this up.
And we're excited to find out what country we're doing.
Open it up already. Oh, there we go. Oh, get it open.
Do you have a country guess? What country do you think it is? Which one?
America?
America, maybe. So let's see.
Like it could be.
That wouldn't take us very far, but it could be our country.
Yeah, because like it's the first one.
Okay, let's see if we have a clue. Maybe you can open this coin. Look. Oh, what does it say? It says it right on there.
Japan.
Let's show them the little coin. So that'll be fun. I'm going to open that up. We've actually been doing origami, so that will be a fun addition to what we've been doing. So it's got the little coin. It's got some stickers.
It's like a mountain. And like all of like the kind of
very cool. Should we hold it up close?
And on the other side, it's like a little flower, like a little daisy.
So cute.
Cute.
And look, this comes with a passport sticker, so you can put it in your
and it comes with some sushi erasers.
Flip it around. That's so cute.
Yeah, that's cute.
Little sushi erasers. Very fun.
Oh, and it actually comes with origami instructions and like a little origami kit. That's cute.
That is so cool.
And a bunch of stickers.
So, it looks like we're exploring Japan this month. We're excited about it.
Yay!
There's lots of little cute things in there. And where are we going to put it when we're done with them?
Back in there.
We're going to put it in our suitcase. It's going to be so fun. Oh, it's really cute. Look at all the cute origami paper that it came with. There's lots of cute patterns.
It looks like there's penguins.
Very fun.
Yep, and there we go. Wait, I should flip that coin around. Both of them.
And they've got...
Take it out.
So they've got a recipe on here. And some games. and some instruction or some things telling you about bento boxes. Do you know what bento boxes are? They are the coolest lunches. Maybe we'll have to practice. That might be part of our thing this week. And then it's got a fun craft that we can do. So that's super cool. I love that.
Nice. So there, I put that coin in.
Very fun. So that's some of the activities that have been in the little passport. We've got in the little passport subscription box. We've got our suitcase to collect it in. That's really fun to collect all those different countries, isn't it? Okay, so that is Little Passports. We will put a link for you down below. And if you like this video and you want to see more educational reviews, then just hit subscribe.